can I? What is this? Oh. Assalamualaikum my YouTube family, welcome back to my channel। और आज इधर हो रही है स्नोफॉल और आपको मैं दिखाने जा रही हूँ ये स्नोफॉल और साथ साथ आपको मिलाती हूँ अपनी चाइनीज फ्रेंड के साथ। मस्त प्लान है और मजे मजे की बातें होने जा रही है। तो अब देखते हैं कि यहाँ पर ही हो रही है यहाँ पर रात के टाइम, लेकिन इधर जो है वो आपको स्नो भी साथ साथ नजर आ रही होगी। यहाँ पर बाइक्स के ऊपर, साइकिल के ऊपर, बेंचेस के ऊपर, दरख्त के ऊपर।
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
अभी जो है स्नो रुक गई है।
चीटिंग करता है तू, चीटिंग करता है तू।
हम चलते हैं आगे आगे और गाइस मिलने जा रहे हैं हम अपनी फ्रेंड से और बातचीत करते हैं उसके साथ। तो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड लेट्स गो। So, hello guys. These are my friends and they are so nice and they can speak very good English. And we are going together and we are going to play with the snow and enjoy and talk a little about the weather here and just have some time together. So currently we were in the canteen and they had the food. And now we are going. Have you ever done snow fighting? Snow fighting, throwing.
Actually,
No.
I haven't.
But would you like to do a little?
Sure.
पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो।
Okay, because now is like evening and we don't have to go to the lab.
मस्त प्लान है।
Because I know we are going to get wet. Okay, so here is the snow. Is
Less.
yes, it's less. And actually, I was busy in the morning. Did you enjoy it in the morning? It was more snowing at around 2 p.m., 1 p.m.
Yeah.
and 3 p.m. also. You were saying?
Do you know the snow actually can make your hands warm?
Oh, really?
ये क्या है?
You can feel your hands warm.
Warm. Oh.
Do you want to try?
Okay. Now is warm. Now we are taking some snow, and because we want to play, I'm going to ask someone to make a video. Oh my god! And we're going to throw first. Like maybe I can start. I can throw, and I'll run, and then you will run behind. Okay. This is our snow, and we're going to throw at each other. And I can ask her. I don't know. Hello. Okay. Oh, she's busy. No. I can ask someone. They're making a snowman.
खत्म।
So we're going to play and throw snow at each other.
How long is it
Can-
you take this?
No, a little. Can you just pick and?
Okay,
I will
okay, no
also-
problem.
I will also
Okay.
go.
Control.
Okay, let's go. I just picked my umbrella from here. Hello, ni hao. So, oh my god. It did not hit anyone. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. He made something. He made a basketball ground. Basketball team. Wow. They are going to, I know, they have it in their hands. Oh, oh, they're going. Yeah, I know. So they're planning, oh, she's going up. You climb? You want to climb here? I want to first make the video of coming down and then I'll go up.
गजब बेइज्जती है
Is 1, 2, 3.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा
Oh.
बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो यार.
Oh.
I only just this sentence. only can see this sentence.
What does it mean?
The snow, one piece, and one piece.
Wow. You can sing so good. You to sing again. Wow.
Only this one.
So beautiful singing.
Yeah.
You can also sing?
A little.
Wow. No, you can't sing any Chinese.
Every time
Yeah.
I see you, I told you, that is how I know you going on.
Let's 1, 2, 3, start.
That you were on me, oh, you were throwing bad words on my daddy says, stay away from Drew. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
So much shouting. Thank you so much for giving so much time. It was so nice time with you both together, and I have enjoyed so much. And tomorrow also we'll meet. We played and we enjoyed a lot, and thank you so much to my sweet friends. And see you all in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.
Bye.
Snow catching.
Yeah.
Okay.
这雪好像飘着似的。